Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to show the Home button on Google Chrome for your PC following the latest update. Having a Home button can make navigating your favorite websites much easier. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and double-clicking it. Once the browser is open, you'll be ready to customize your settings. Next, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the browser window. This is known as the Customize and Control Google Chrome menu. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, scroll down to Settings and click on it. This will take you to the Settings page where you can adjust various preferences for your browsing experience. Now, on the left side of the Settings page, find and click on Appearance. This section contains all the visual options for how Chrome looks and behaves. In the Appearance section, you will see an option labeled Show Home Button. To enable it, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. Once activated, you will notice a home icon appear next to your address bar. If you want to customize what your home button does, you can also enter a specific URL. Below the toggle for showing the home button, there is an option to enter a custom web address. If you have a particular website in mind that you want to set as your homepage, like Google or any other site, just type in the URL here. And that's it. You now have your home button displayed on Google Chrome, making it easier to return to your chosen homepage with just one click. Thank you for following along. Enjoy browsing with your newly enabled home button on Google Chrome.